Nope. That's not 233. Come on. No, boy.
233.
We are looking for our room. We're on the second floor, 233. Hit it up.
That's right. Let's go in.
Scan it.
Emma's got it.
Come on, go. Ooh. This is big one.
This is big. Let's see it. Where is the lights? Is that a fireplace in a balcony? Well, let's check this out. Where's the fridge?
Where's the fridge?
We just got in the room. Let's start the tour. A little storage area for your clothes. The sink is out here. We have some towels. Looks like we have some lotion, conditioner, shampoo. Oh, she's showing you the hand soap. I like how we have 2 mirrors here. So the bathroom, we have the shower. Everything looks clean so far. Yes. You got the soap. I love it. The toilet. Let's keep it on going. The shoes are off. What's happening here? Already? Boys. Oh, crap. We have the pull-out sofa. Some art, some nature art. Oh, it's comfy. We have a desk with a Keurig over here. Here is our TV. And the fridge is right in here. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Oh, our room has a telephone. Look at that. Bro, are you excited?
Yeah. No. What the?
Oh, let's see what's in the fridge. Pretty good looking fridge. What is in here? We have the microwave. Okay. In case we need to microwave some chicken nuggets and fries. Now, what I'm interested in over here is this fireplace. And I'm going to see if I can get it to work. I'm not sure yet. These kids have been in the car for like 6 hours today. So they are riled up. Jeez, bro. Let's go check out the balcony. We have a view of the woods. Is there any bears in there, Porter?
But soon we can see some nature.
There's the parkway right there. Oh, we're right by the post office, looks like. So this is a pretty good size. Ew, look at the pollen. I hate pollen. I guess the only thing that's not here is we don't have any chairs here. So it would be nice if they had chairs to sit out here.
But you can sit on the vent.
That's probably not a good idea. You're getting pollen all over your socks. Come on back in. All right, that was a quick tour. Oh boy, that was a quick tour of our room. So far, so good. We'll have to go show you the pool, workout room, and breakfast now. Here's the exercise room. It's small. It's got a bench, elliptical, bike, and treadmill. Some free weights and a few towels over there. Does have a TV for your enjoyment. And oh look, our car. So this is what breakfast looks like. We have some eggs, French toast, biscuits, sausage. Got some syrup here. And Miss Palmer is eating a blueberry waffle, and she's got the key to the room. She loves opening the door. But the breakfast area over there has been really good here, and we have enjoyed it. So it is the morning of our checkout, and we're coming to swim, and look, the pool looks nice and heated. It is steaming up over there. It's like a jacuzzi side. And they have an outdoor like splash pad area out here, but it is 35 degrees in Pigeon Forge in April. Come back in here, girl. And there's a nice little patio area and hang out. All right, kids, how is it? Warm? It doesn't look so warm, Porter. Are you sure? I'm gonna try it out. Good. All right, we're out of the pool. It was great. It was heated and we enjoyed ourselves. Wish that the outside was open, but it's too cold.